elimination match, you never want to be the superstar on the wrong end of... Oh, sweet chin music! Right on target from HBK. Makes the cover. Fights out at 2.
He just won't give up. Way to avoid that.
There's a running knee on the Harley race. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Down the run with the schoolboy. Shoulders are down.
Oh, near fall. How in the world?
Big forearm.
Getting set up in the corner now.
Uh-oh. Face first in the turnbuckle. Pinpointing the leg in the corner.
Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
And HBK on the receiving end of a shellacking right there. Yeah, with that, Triple H showed how he's not going to be one to rest on his laurels. From the top, through the air, and connects. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there. And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Waylaid the game. Oh!
This one's for the win. Can Triple H kick out? Oh, my Lord! How in the world is he still going?
How in the world did he do that? Ooh, sledgehammer to the body. This is not for the faint of heart. He's able to dodge out of the way.
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll.
There is nothing but malintent behind each of these attacks.
Good night. Sweet chin music.
An unprotected shot to the head. Those could